how to rebias my tube amp. First, whilst the amplifier is cold, turn it on an angle like this so that I can access the back and these side sections here. The millivolts reading on my unit is here, and I have to have it on 200 millivolts on direct current, which is this side here. And the ports I'm using, we have the black cable coming out of the COM and the red cable coming out of the volt ohm milliamp reading. Alright, so the tube should be running at 48 to 49.5 millivolts as a reading. If they are more than 2.5 millivolts outside of that range, then they are either below 48 too cold or above 49.5 too hot, which will, of course, the hot will exchange the life of the tubes. And of course, too low could endanger the transformers. Alright, now before we actually start doing it, I've got to run audio through the unit for 15 minutes. I've just been running it at half power, and then once once I've done that, then after 15 minutes, then I turn it down. I also turn the source material down, and then I'd get a reading out of the tubes. And how I do that is I take the black cable, and for the stage left, which is the right side here, I connect this inside the black output for the speaker here. So it means I have to unscrew this and put this jar at an angle so it makes sure it makes contact, and then tighten it back up softly. And then the red cable goes into this port here, again on an angle, so it's making sure it's making contact. And then I get my reading, and to adjust it, very carefully, screwdriver, adjust this contact screw here. So moving anti-clockwise is to go down in millivolts, and moving clockwise is to go up. And then I remove everything, and I switch the black cable over to stage right and do the same system where I'm putting it in a jar and gently locked in. The red cable then goes very carefully in between these tubes on an angle here, making sure I'm making contact. Do the same thing with that. Alright, that's how to do it.